Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liza Soberano. Fresh new update. Liza Soberano, in Los Angeles. Nag-shared post, ang Tita Fran, ni Liza Soberano. Sa ganap nito, sa LA. The Lux organizer in LA, post with Liza Soberano. Ayon sa caption, "Embrace the revolution of waste-free shopping. Come with me, as I take my niece, Liza Soberano. Shopping at one of my favorite refill shops, The Grocery, in Venice Boulevard, Los Angeles, California. I love teaching people about living a more sustainable life. I believe that small changes we make in our lifestyle and habits can make a long-term difference. It's not about being perfect, but about making progress and doing our best. We can always learn to do better for ourselves and our planet." Ayon pa, sa tagahanga ni Hopi, ito yung batang kontento sa kagandahan niya. Lahat natural, nabigay ni Lord. Walang binago, dahil super ganda niya. Ang ganda pa ng katawan. Perfect sa height. Welcome back to the US. Liza, so happy to see you, living healthy and wise. Busy days Liza Soberano, and Enrique Hill, Liza in Los Angeles, Enrique in Taiwan. Back to LDR, ang lovebirds.
Yeah.